Hey there, let's talk about Google Drive because it is amazing and free. So, everybody who's going to be learning anything with the GOODWIN method should know Google Drive. Google Drive, you can just go to drive.google.com, okay, and it is free. And I guarantee most of you have a Google account, a Google Drive account, whether you know it or not. If you've had Google Calendar or Gmail or any of the Google apps that you can see up in here, then you have a Google account. You might have more than one Google account, and Google Drive comes with every account. So your drive will probably be more blank if you're new to it, but it's very similar to your Windows navigation or your computer navigation if you're on a Mac. You have your areas or folders on the left, your drives on the left, and the contents are in the big window on the right. So, for example, if I want to make a new folder in my drive called Practice, and then inside that folder I want to put a new document, I've named it Practice Document, it automatically saves everything instantly. You don't have to save anything in Google Drive. You don't have to download the document to your computer. Okay? It's just there and it's saved instantly. So you see that I am clicked on the practice folder and the document is here on the right. I can open the document again. I can start typing into it. It looks very much like Microsoft Word, but you don't have to pay for software. You don't have to have software on your computer. As a matter of fact, if you lose your computer, you can log right back into drive.google.com from any web browser, and your contents are still there. One last thing, as a recommendation, if you see an area that says, download Drive to your computer, do not do it unless you are at a very advanced level with technology. It will clog up your computer, it will confuse you, it could end up deleting documents that you didn't mean to delete, so it's not for the faint of heart. The whole purpose of having a drive in the cloud, like Google Drive, is so that you don't have to put anything on your computer. So go ahead and get familiar with Google Drive, and I'll see you in the next video.